This is the heart disease diagnostic analysis using Pahovi. Here it shows number of patients by age. Here are the weight and chest pain by age. This shows the our patient's gender. Male was 30% and female was 69.56%. This graph shows the cholesterol by age. This is very essential for the doctors. This shows that the heart rate by age has gradually increased till 60, then gradually decrease from 60 to 80 of age. This shows the number of diabetic patients, which was 153, and this shows heart patient, which is 526. This data is from the data set of a total of 1025 patients. You can check, like for male, how the heart rate and chest pain by age has changed, and for female how it has changed. This is an interactive dashboard. You can check for every gender.